To retrieve information from a dataset, we use a query. A query is a way to retrieve data from a dataset based on selected fields and filters. So we go to Define and add a new query. We give the query a name, which you can choose freely. Then we decide what type of query we want to create. There are three types of queries: a report, a data list, and an import. A report query displays the result directly in the model. That is what we want to do first. A data list can be used for lookup tables, for example, a list of rates. And an import query is used to make the model interactive. We'll cover that in a later video. For now, we want to display a report structure. We want that report to use financial data combined with our chart of accounts structure. In this tenant, our financial data is stored in the dataset balances. These are all datasets that can be selected and used in queries. We use balances because it is a main dataset that is linked to other datasets. There are also several options you can define for the query. For example, insert data rows. This automatically inserts rows for all records returned by the query. That means the model grows based on the data. Repeat grouped values repeats grouped values on each row. I'll leave that off for now. Insert data columns works the same way as data rows, but for columns. And the last option allows totals to also include extra calculated columns that you add beside the original query columns. So if you have a query with 5 columns and you add columns 6 and 7 for calculations, this option makes sure that the totals are also calculated for those extra columns. Once that is set, I click Apply and I enter the report query definition. This is similar to what you see when building a pivot style report.